What is up, guys? Welcome back to my videos. So I am super excited to tell you we're gonna start working on the kit today. This is securing it together. Artillery. Everything that I needed in the mail actually arrived. I have the pins, I have the pin gun, I have all the hardware, and I have everything I need to start the wide body kit process. So basically, here's how I'm gonna do the videos. I'm gonna start working on the kit. I'm pretty much just gonna work as long as I can. Today we're starting a little bit later, so we might end up having to cut it a little short today, but basically I'm just gonna work on the kit a little bit every day and just upload the process of everything. I hope you guys are okay with that. I hope that is kind of what you guys are thinking. Let me go ahead and show you everything that I got in the mail. So I got two sets of Cliku pins, okay? Here's the Cliku, I hope I'm saying that right, Cliku pin gun. Basically what you do is you insert this into the gun, hold it like this, and as you push it, it extends it, thins it out, put it in the fender, release, and it's gonna hold it tight so it pretty much mounts the kit. I also bought some billet valve stem caps. Now these are from Downstar. They're gonna look awesome right on the valve stem. It's not too insane, so it's not like the lug nuts where you get the lug nuts and they're super long. So these are gonna be a really nice finish to the whole wheel setup. I'm super excited for those. I thought I might as well cop those while I'm sitting here on their website buying hardware, which leads me into the hardware that we bought. So I went ahead and I got all the Downstar hardware. Downstar hardware comes like this. Basically what it's gonna look like is you take the bolt and you take this cover, I cannot remember what they reference it as, but step that inside there, boom, that is what all the body kit hardware is going, here let me get in the light. This is what all the body kit hardware is going to look like. I chose this piece to be black to just kind of go with the color scheme. Anyways, the last thing we need to test is the rib nuts. I hope this bolt goes into the rib nuts, because if not, we're gonna be in trouble. We're gonna have to figure something out, reorder some sizes, but I ordered M5 rib nuts along with the M5 size bolt. So let's just hurry and test fit this real fast and make sure that it fits. So basically take one of these. It will go into there like that. This will be in the car and perfect fit. We are now 100% ready to start this whole process. You got the keys? We're taking my dad's Ford. Oh, let's go. This is my dad's Ford F-150. Pretty dope truck. Overall, it is eco-boosted. So that is what's really cool about these trucks. I want to give a big shout out to Crown Carbon Crafting. They reached out to me on Instagram and started talking with me about when I did a little mock-up of their body kit. So pretty much what happened is, if you remember, the front fender wouldn't lay flush with the OEM body. What was happening is on the CCC front fender, there is a vent, and how the vent is created is it's pushed in to create the vent effect. That being said, the back of the CCC fender where the vent is created sticks out to where when you're trying to put the CCC fender on the OEM one, it's not gonna lay flush because of the distance the vent is pushed in. So what they recommended me to do was to just cut out that section. No need to chop up the whole car yet, just cut out that section, and then I should be able to fit the whole kit on there and get it all mocked up before I do any body work. So there is one thing with the whole installing this kit is I've never done anything like this before. I've never cut any fenders. I've never done anything along the lines of that. So it was really awesome to have them reach out to me like that. So with that being said, big shout outs to them. We are heading to the hardware store. We are pulling up to the hardware store. And the reason we're pulling up to the hardware store is because they also recommended me to bolt the kit all together. Bolt each piece together, the front and the rear, and pretty much mount it as one piece. So that is leading us in today's video. We're going to cop some hardware at the hardware store and start mounting and start bolting the kit together. I cannot drive this truck, bro. I can't. I don't know how to drive this. Dude, this guy is laughing at me. I cannot drive this truck, bro. This is so bad. I'm so used to a lowered, slammed car. Should I pull forward? Okay, I'm gonna pull forward. Hey, can you get out and check? Please get out and check.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you. This thing is so monstrous. Like, look how far we are off the ground. Oh my gosh. Are we good?
Keep going.
Okay, hold on. Okay, now check the back. I cannot believe how difficult this is. Are we good?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay, let's go cop some hardware. my gosh, I'm struggling! Sophie, will you drive home, please? So we just got to the store. I forgot to bring the kit to get the right sizing on some hardware, and I also forgot the riveter that I need to return, but we'll figure something out.
So, it's 420 today, and everyone keeps asking me if I'm high. I'm not.
Oh my god.
I accidentally like drooled the little drip on the floor, so I thought I'd show you. That's Sophie Sanders' drool. So come to Lowe's. It's in aisle 2 on side 1. If you want to get a sample, let me know. Lowe's workers will hook you up.
Which size do I get? These, dude. I don't really know.
Well,
honestly, I don't think it matters because
I think you kind of have to because you kind of tore up the package.
Let's just buy a whole bunch, dude. I don't know.
Once again, don't forget about that.
This is probably the longest line I've ever been in. Where's the check stands? Like right there.
Out there. There's a car!
I don't know how to drive automatic. I don't know how to drive auto. We just got back to the house. I got the hardware. Let's start working on the body kit. I forgot it's in Sophie's room. I'm gonna go grab a couple pieces, bring them out, and let's start working, boys. Let's go. All right, we'll start with the front 2, and we'll come back for the rest. Wow, this is crazy. Working with fiberglass, you're definitely gonna want gloves. I actually went and bought some. Let me grab them real fast. It's time. As crazy enough as it is to say, welcome to the series of wide-bodying my 2016 Subaru WRX. Okay, River, let's begin. We're gonna need that. We are going to need drill bits. Ooh, I really like these gloves. They're nice quality. I actually got them at the automotive store. They're not black, though. I wanted like the high-tech ones, but whatever. You kind of get what you can get at this point. Okay, guys, so I pretty much just bought oh, I forgot washers. I just went for a bolt size that looked like it wasn't gonna be insanely big, but it was also big enough to just kind of really support it. What we are going to do for this kit is put these 2 pieces together, and we are gonna bolt them, as you can see, right here. So, the size of these bolts are 1/4. So I'm gonna take the 1/4 drill bit. So basically what I did is I chose 2 good locations to drill the holes for the hardware, okay? Then I lined them up, and as you can see, I stuck a Sharpie through the hole so you can see where to drill that side and that side. Now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take the drill out those holes, and we should be able to connect the 2 pieces together, and then we will have our first step made in the wide body kit process. All right, let's try and get that done. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the results I got. I did the first fender here. This is securing it together, leaving this side super flush. I do have just a little bit of a lip on this edge, but for the most part, it's pretty flush. This can also become smoothed out later in the process after we have the kit fully mounted on the car, but for the most part, that is pretty freaking close. Now I'm gonna jump over to the opposite side fender and get that one done.
Tracks.
cut. Now we can go ahead and put the bolt through to secure the connection. Okay everybody, I have the two front fenders fully done. Both pieces secured to each other, looking really good. The inside of them are nicely bolted together. Earlier in the video, this is the vent I was talking about, and now you can see how it's pushed in where it would make contact with the OEM fender. Honestly, I'm kind of worn out for the day and I'm super hungry, so I think I'm gonna go eat, edit this video, and then we'll get right back to it tomorrow morning. Guys, I'm super excited for this whole wide body kit thing. It's blowing me away that I'm still making the move, pulling the trigger, but I'm super hyped for it. It's gonna look awesome. Can't wait to continue this tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace out.